Unlock creative cycling shots with Go Ultra using the Insta360 Flexi Strap Mount. The Flexi Strap Mount includes the following. How to install. Attach a quick release mount or action mount to the base of the Flexi Strap Mount, then insert the locking screw and turn it clockwise to tighten it. Install the Flexi Strap Mount to where you want it, such as to the handlebars of your bicycle, then put the strap through the narrow opening on the mount, wrap it around and into the other opening, then tighten the hinge to secure it in place. Then mount either the Standalone Camera or the whole Go Ultra to complete the installation. You can adjust the tilt angle by loosening the screw on the mount or rotating the hinge. To make sure you get the perfect angle, use the Action Pod to monitor the shot in real time. Front view. By attaching the Standalone Camera or the Action Pod to the handlebars of a bicycle, you can fully capture your cycling route. Rear view. When installed on the underside of a bike seat, you can shoot what's behind you. Perfect for capturing highlights when cycling with a group. Wheel perspective. By mounting the camera to the frame of your bike with the action mount, you can capture dynamic shots of the road and the wheels while you ride. First-person perspective. You can also mount the camera to the chin of dirt bike-style helmets to capture your POV and record your ride exactly as you see it. Use your Flexi Strap Mount today to enter a whole new world of cycling creativity.